Hi friends and welcome back to our channel K2N Family. Today I'm going to show you a perfect recipe of making chicken croquettes. We made many times of beef croquettes, but today is a special time, so here we go. Let's go and start it. And to prepare the chicken croquette, I've got here about 600 grams of chicken breast. I've already cut into cubes. Let's season with salt. Now let's mix all this well together, and once mixed, let's leave this aside. So now in a pan, take 2 tablespoons of oil. Now once the oil is heated, let's add 4 to 5 cloves, 1 inch of cinnamon stick. Now I'm going to add 2 finely chopped onion. These are 2 medium onions. 7 to 8 garlic cloves. 1 inch of ginger. 3 to 4 green chilies. Green chilies you can use according to your choice, what spiciness you require. Now let's saute this on a medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Now I'm going to add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Let's fry this for another minute. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Now let's add the chicken. Now I'm going to put 2 medium potatoes, or if you can use 1 large potato as well. Now let's add half cup of water. So after adding half cup of water, now let's cover this with a lid and let it get cooked. So friends, it's been 20 minutes now I've been cooking this. Do not add any extra water, just try to use as less as possible because the chicken will release its water. As you see, there is some water left over here. Now I'm kept the lid open and I'm going to cook until the water gets drained completely. Meanwhile, let me add some coriander on top, just roughly chopped. The chicken also has been cooked and the potatoes are also been done. Here I'm going to add a chicken cube. You can use Maggi or homemade stock powder. I'm running out of homemade stock powder, so I'm using a Maggi. This will give a much more good flavor. It's up to you if you want to use or not. Now this is completely done now. Now I'm going to set this aside to cool down. So once the meat is cooled down, now let's add this into a mixer blender. So I'll try to take the cinnamon stick out. Maybe it might not get grind completely, so that's it. Now I'm going to go and grind this. This is going to be the result once it's been grounded. So as you see, the consistency over here is quite very sticky. So at this stage, I'm going to add some little bit of breadcrumb. I'm saying it's sticky because it's a chicken breast and the potatoes all together. Our consistency is too soft because the croquettes are going to be very soft and very nice and delicious. I tried to make it very soft. Use half cup of breadcrumbs, or as per your choice how much you want to, until you can get a proper mold of these croquettes. So as you see, now the consistency is very thick. Now I'm going to leave this in the fridge for 30 minutes, so it's going to shape it much better. So friends, it's been 30 minutes. We have already refrigerated this. And as you see now, the consistency is perfect to bake these croquettes. So friends, let's take a small portion of meat. You take as much as you want to make the croquette for you. And it's very easy as we had kept in the fridge. So we just can form it. First I will make like a ball shape. And then just give a press and push it. And you have a perfect croquette shape for yourself. So I've already shaped all the croquettes over here. Now I'm going to apply some breadcrumb, dipping them into egg. I'll show you how we do that. Let you know, we made almost like 32 croquettes out of this. So this is breadcrumbs. I've already kept it separately. I'm going to take 1 egg. We can take it separately in a bowl. Add some salt for taste. So now what we will do is, we'll take a croquette, dip it in the egg, and just drop it in the breadcrumb. Roll it over. Make sure the breadcrumbs are applied everywhere, and just leave it back again in the tray. So I've already coated all the croquettes with the breadcrumbs. You can refrigerate it and use it for further on for next 2 or 3 days. But for now, I'm going to fry all of them. So I've set the oil to heat. Now let's check if it's hot enough. As you see, it's very hot. Now we're going to leave our croquettes. So here, we're going to fry it not more than a minute unless this turns into golden brown. So this is almost done now. As you see, I'm going to remove all of them, and it's given me a good color. So friends, our chicken croquettes are ready now. Something different and something delicious. So friends, if you liked our recipe, please show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Until then, stay safe, God bless you all, and my final word to say, adios.